G'day! In this video we will show you how to install the BlindWinder motor into your roller blind. The blind first needs to be removed from the brackets. If you are unsure how to do this, please watch the video How to Remove a Roller Blind. You should also remove the child safety device if one has been installed for your blind. A flathead screwdriver might be needed for prying chain winders out from the blind tube. Additionally, you would need a Phillips head screwdriver to install any bracket adapter that might be ordered with the motor. First, install the bracket adapter if one was ordered with the motor. Make sure that any hooks on the bracket adapter are pointing down. Next, install the tube crown adapter by sliding it onto the motor. Ensure that the flange is towards the back. Next, install the tube drive adapter by pushing it onto the drive shaft. Some force is required initially. The drive adapter should lock into place once it is all the way in. Next, remove the chain winder from the blind. Usually they can be simply pulled out, but if it is too tight you can use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. Align the tube drive adapter with the internal ribs of the blind tube. If there are multiple angles that fit, always choose the one with the least amount of play between the adapter and the tube. Once aligned, start sliding the motor into the blind tube, stopping with roughly 1/3 to go. At this point, align the tube crown adapter with the blind tube and push it in. Now, slide in the rest of the motor. The motor has now been installed into the blind. To install the blind back onto the brackets, simply use the same process as removing the blind but in reverse order. Congratulations! You have just successfully converted your manual blind into a motorized blind. Hope you were able to follow this video and install your motor without hassle. However, if you still have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us at support@dendo.com.au for further assistance. Thanks for watching.